Drier and milder conditions as we head into our Friday. John, two words a lot of people have been waiting to hear all week.
Yes, including myself, to just be able to say, because it has been a long week for a lot of northern Michiganders, as we've been talking about freezing rain, we've been talking about severe storms, heavy rainfall, gusty winds. Finally looking like a decent day for everybody coming up, especially as we're getting into the day tomorrow. Again, the caveat from earlier today still has been the winds. They have been a little bit gusty. Those winds will continue to die down as we're getting closer to the midnight hour tonight. We'll also be seeing a decrease in the cloud cover as an area of high pressure will start to take over as we are getting into the day on Friday. So temperatures, at least for tonight, are still going to be a little bit chilly. We'll talk about a lot of us back into the 20s as we get into your Friday morning, but check this out. Finally, a decent dry day with the chance for at least a few more rays of sunshine as we take you right there, getting into your Friday morning by the lunch hour and even still into the afternoon. So most of our Friday going to be looking pretty good. Now, as we're getting later into Friday evening, overnight, into the weekend, there are still going to be a few spotty chances. We do have to talk about for some showers as we're going later into Friday evening, closer to midnight, especially into some of our southern communities south there of M55. We can't rule out a few light showers. That still will be the case even as we're getting into early Saturday morning. And even as you're going areas near the Straits and into the Upper Peninsula, the temperatures still could be cold enough to where we do have to talk about the chance for a few spotty mixed showers, but we are talking nowhere near the amounts from what we have experienced over these past several days. Winds have been breezy today. Those also will start to calm down. That's going to be some better news. That will take you past midnight, even getting into our Friday morning. So we'll take all the good news that we can get. Let's talk about precipitation chances. There it is that we just showed you late Friday into Saturday. A few lone showers. I think the next best chance past the weekend. We will talk about another weak system moving in. We'll have to watch Monday potentially for a few more mixed showers as we are starting off the week. Here's a look at the radar as we're going into Monday. Temperatures could be cold enough just for a few plain snow showers as we are starting off the week. System itself not looking too impressive, but again, that will be the next best chance as we're getting past the weekend into early next week for any more precipitation. Live weather stations out there right now, Everett mid-40s at 44 degrees, and Manistee still too there at 43. Wind still a little bit breezy right there at about 13 miles per hour. Let's get to temperatures past midnight tonight. Still chilly. A lot of us back in the 20s. Even the Sioux, you can't completely rule it out for some of you getting closer to get past the midnight hour tonight. Winds continue to calm, and we're looking at an overall decent Friday as we go into the day tomorrow. There's a look at the temperatures. You're still talking about plenty of 40s. That'll be looking pretty good as we take you into eastern upper tip of the mid by the time we do reach Friday afternoon. Not as windy tomorrow. Western lower, even some 40s and probably our fair share of some 50s. So it's going to be feeling fairly mild as we get you into the day tomorrow with a few more rays of sunshine. Closer to the immediate lakeshore, still the numbers held back a few degrees, low 40s as you're going farther inland. Areas from Atlanta to West Branch could even talk about a few low 50s as we go right there into the afternoon. And last but not least, going into central lower, still your fair share not only of some low, even a few mid-50s going to be looking good here. Lighter winds and a few more rays of sunshine, just what we need for a Friday. Now let's go ahead and talk about the next 7 days. Once we're going late into Friday night, that chance will be there for a few isolated showers. Could even have a few mixed showers potentially near the UP. Nothing too significant. I think the next best chance we'll talk about for some more snow and a few more mixed showers, David, will be next Monday.